the laws are not just about farming. And I'm saying repeal is the first step. There's a hell of a lot else to be done. In these laws, in these laws are provisions affecting every Indian citizen. Firstly, in the agriculture side of it, you're going to be affected severely. Much of the middle class has no idea of what a corporate takeover of agriculture means for them in food, in prices, in homogeneity, in disappearance of variety. All those, they have no clue of what will happen when that takeover happens and what will happen to food prices. That's one thing. The second thing is there's another level at which every single Indian is affected. These laws take away, they take away the fundamental rights and human rights of every citizen by chipping away. Let me read you a clause. In no law except during the emergency when we suspended the entire constitution, in no law in Indian independent republic, India's independent republic, have we seen such devastating clauses of exclusion of legal recourse of the citizen. Let me read you a clause. Now, in the contract law, the law affecting contracts, the one called the Farmers Empowerment and Protection Agreement on Price Assurance and Farm Services Act, which is about contracts, bringing in contract farming, which will be dominated by big business and corporations. Anku, please listen to the wording. No suit, no prosecution, or other legal proceedings shall lie against the central government or against the state government or any officer of the central government or any officer of the state government or any other person. Who are these other persons? Or any other person in respect of anything which is done in good faith or intended to be done under this act. No civil court shall have jurisdiction to entertain any suit or proceedings in respect of any matter. In the Article 19 of the other law, the APMC law, there you have an article as well. No civil court shall have jurisdiction to entertain any suit or proceedings in respect of any dispute which a subdivisional authority or appellate authority is empowered by or under this act to decide. Now, you know what you're doing? You're converting the executive, a very low-level executive strata, into a judiciary. The executive becomes the judiciary. A deputy collector or collector can dismiss any appeal, anything, and the farmer or even a public interest litigant, maybe like you, have no right of legal recourse to the courts. Have you ever heard such clauses in a law?